It's no secret that whilst there's a lot of trash on YouTube, those who succeed and do well create incredibly well produced and edited content. Now, I'm far from an expert in this field, but I've learned a hell of a lot in the 3 months I've been making content for YouTube. My first few videos sucked. The audio was terrible, the video was terrible, and there was a complete lack of editing. I very quickly started upgrading my equipment without breaking the bank, and I started off using iMovie as an editor, which is free on Mac but only basic. Don't get me wrong, basic tools can be more than enough to get you started, but to produce excellent quality video, you're eventually going to need to adopt the tools that the professionals use. Luckily enough for me, I have Adobe Creative Cloud, which includes Premiere Pro. Whilst initially it was quite daunting, I persevered by watching countless tips and tricks on YouTube to start upping my editing game. I've still got a hell of a long way to go before I'm producing content of the same quality as some of the biggest YouTubers out there, but for me at least, this is a hobby that I fit in amongst a full-time job. Everything I put on YouTube is 100% me. The key takeaway here is that I always strive to do more in every video I make, whether it's playing with new transitions or cuts or adding more B-roll. Over time, this will only improve my ability to create better content, and you should take the same approach to your videos. Some will pick things up quickly, and for others it will take more time. I have the advantage that I'm a techie and spent years making music, so the transition to video is not as daunting as it may be for someone starting from scratch. Do it at your own pace, and if that means sticking with iMovie for a while and pushing your capabilities, then so be it. Just strive to do better in each video you produce. The truth is, with all the editing in the world, you have to consider the viewer and take an objective look at the content and think to yourself, is this actually interesting? At first I would go and record a whole load of waffle with loads of pauses, ums and ahs which are left in. This doesn't add anything to your content, and so by objectively listening or watching your video, you can start to be a bit more selective about what you keep and what you take out. Does this bit of information really add any value, or is it just padding? Try and become conscious about ums and ahs and repetitive words. It's incredibly difficult. My audio is certainly filled with them, but this takes time to edit out and makes the content less cohesive. For now at least, with this second channel, I'm trying to prepare content that is easily digestible and minimalist in the editing department. I will likely change that as time progresses, but I wanted this channel to be somewhat raw, and that's a creative decision, but I still need to keep the content on point, and so should you. If you've got some beginner friendly tips on how to improve your content, please leave them in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can follow me on my YouTube journey. And with that, I thank you all for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.